plus beta the whole square means that is a plus b the whole square. If you arrange it, then you will get in this form, right? So you can remember directly also, that is alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Second identity is alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket alpha plus beta. Third, alpha cube minus beta cube becomes alpha minus beta the whole cube plus 3 alpha beta alpha minus beta. See, the simple thing is there to remember second and third. In second you can see the जहाँ पे भी प्लस साइन है, थर्ड में वहाँ पे माइनस साइन आ गया, राइट? सो दैट इज ओनली द डिफरेंट, रेस्ट द होल थिंग इज सेम. Instead of plus it becomes minus. And last, alpha minus beta the whole square becomes what? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This 4 identity, this is very very important, that can help you to solve the further numericals. So this you should know. See, the thing is that this you have to fill up. This is the question which is given in your exercise 2.5. Fill the gaps and complete, 1 marks. Now here you have to fill up this gap. Now see, here the answers are written real and unequal and no real roots. So this box are there empty, that you have to fill up. So what it is there inside, we'll see everything. See, the first thing is quadratic equation they had given, standard form hai, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? And then they have given two equation, quadratic equation. First is b square minus 4ac equal to, sorry, not a quadratic equation, it is a discriminant value 5, and next is b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. आपको नेचर ऑफ रूट डिटरमाइन करना है. फर्स्ट बॉक्स में क्या होगा नेचर ऑफ रूट फर्स्ट डिटर्मिनेंट का, सेकेंड क्या होगा. देखिए 5 जो वैल्यू है आपका, द 5 विच यू गॉट हियर इन फर्स्ट केस इज अ पॉजिटिव 5, yes. So that means if it is a plus 5, then you can say no, real and unequal. We have already studied these things, right? Remember the nature of root divided into 3 parts. See that lecture again, once again. So and just revise it. तो आपको पता चलेगा कि जो पॉजिटिव नंबर है वो हमेशा रियल होता है, बट इट इज अनइक्वल, रियल एंड अनइक्वल. एंड सेकेंड नंबर यहाँ पे देखिए कौन सा है, -5. सो -5 है, सो इट इज नॉट अ रियल. So no real roots. You will fill these two box in this. Correct? Now in second box, what they have told you, sum of the root is equal to -7 they had given, and they have told to form the quadratic equation, and they had given in third box product of the root is 5. Means two things it is given to you. One is the sum of the root, that is -7, and second is the product of the root, that is 5. So what you will do in this case, you have to find this one. ये आंसर है आपका, ये जो मैंने सर्कल किया है ये ब्लैंक है, ये नहीं है टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको लिखा. ये आपको यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखना है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा, ये आया कैसे, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू. यू नो द बेसिक इक्वेशन ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. जब आपको रूट दिया रहता है तो आपको क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनाना रहता है, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द बेसिक इक्वेशन इन दैट, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा x plus alpha beta equal to 0. I hope you remember this equation. अब तक तो आपको याद हो जाना चाहिए ये इक्वेशन, you have done several times. आपको खाली वैल्यूज पुट करना है. देखिए एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा मीन्स सम पूछा है. सम मीन्स व्हाट, अल्फा प्लस बीटा, दैट इज -7 एक्स प्लस अल्फा बीटा मीन्स अल्फा इंटू बीटा, मतलब प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज 5 इक्वल टू 0. इसको सॉल्व करिए आप तो यू विल गेट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस 7x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. तो आपको मिल गया ना ये इक्वेशन. ये देखिए ये और ये सेम है कहीं नहीं, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, इफ अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द रूट ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, देन 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, and then this is the quadratic equation and they had given you the two box. This two box you have to fill up. One is alpha plus beta equal to dash, and second is alpha into beta is equal to dash. So for this you have to remember this formula. Now this formula is very important. Alpha plus beta equal to what, minus b upon a. Remember this. And alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. These are the formula that you should know. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Now from here you find out the value of a, b, c from this equation. See, I will write here a is 2, b is minus 4 and c is minus 3. Now substitute in this formula, alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. So minus b means what? माइनस साइन तो रहेगा और b का वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ पे देखिए -4. So substitute -4 upon what is the value of a, that is 2. Substitute, so minus minus get cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, you got the value of 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Second, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. C is what? -3 and a is what? 2, so -3 upon 2. So you put this value here, 2 and -3 upon 2. So I hope it is clear how to fill up the box. Simple formula you have to remember, and this formula is very important, that will help you to solve the further sums also. So this is very important, star mark. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a and alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Remember. I hope it is clear, students. Let us move to next sum now of this exercise. Next sum is question number 5. 3 mark sums, it comes in examination. What is the question? Let us read first. Sum of the root of the quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. So now this quadratic equation given to you and you have to find the value of k. They had given the condition also. Sum of the root of the quadratic equation is double their product. So we'll understand the meaning of this sentence. So how to start the solution of this? See, first of all you have to write, let alpha and beta are the root of the given quadratic equation always. So what is the standard form of what is the quadratic equation given in the question is this, no? So I have written here, it is correct, x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. From this, first of all take out the value of a, b and c. Now I have to pay attention, very carefully take the value of a, b and c. The first value of a is what? 1, because x square का coefficient 1 है. What is the value of b? Is it -4 or -4k? -4k, क्योंकि x का कोएफिशिएंट आप लिख रहे हैं. तो अगर आपने खाली -4 लिखा तो इट्स रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू राइट -4k. 4 के साथ k भी अटैच्ड है. ओके, सो -4k. a is 1, b is -4k and c is what? k plus 3. फुल खाली c का वैल्यू k मत लीजिए या c का वैल्यू 3 मत लीजिए, क्योंकि k और 3 अटैच्ड है. तो c का वैल्यू क्या है? होल कांस्टेंट टर्म. दिस होल टर्म इज अ कांस्टेंट k plus 3. So c is equal to what? K plus 3. Correct? Now you have to apply the formula here. Which formula? First, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b upon a. This is a formula. So you know what is the value of b. That is minus 4k upon 1. So minus minus get cancel. You get 4k. Alpha plus beta आपको मिल गया. Second, alpha into beta. That is c upon a. So what is the value of c? That is k plus 3 upon a. A is what? 1. So k plus 3 upon 1 is k plus 3. Now see this condition. This is important. Check out this condition. What they have told here? Sum of the root of the quadratic equation is double their product. Sum of the root means what? Alpha plus beta. Sum of the root. Okay. Sum of the root का मतलब क्या होता है? Alpha plus beta. Sum है. डबल दे प्रोडक्ट. डबल दे प्रोडक्ट मतलब क्या है? 2 इंटू अल्फा बीटा. डबल मतलब 2, दे प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट मतलब अल्फा बीटा, राइट? एक अल्फा प्लस बीटा होता है और एक अल्फा बीटा होता है. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स अल्फा इंटू बीटा. तो ये आपको कंडीशन मिल गया यहाँ से. ओके, सो सेम थिंग यू विल राइट हियर. So I got the condition alpha plus beta is equal to 2 into alpha into beta. I hope it is clear how it came. Okay, it is given. So now rest thing you have to just substitute the value. Alpha plus beta is what? 4k. 2 into alpha into beta is what? K plus 3. I have substituted here. So 4k is equal to, multiply this, 2 into k, 2k plus sign, 2 into 3 are 6. Now bring this 2k on the left hand side. So plus 2k comes on the right hand side, it becomes minus. So 4k minus 2k equal to 6. So 4k minus 2k becomes 2k equal to 6. So therefore k is equal to 6 upon 2. 2 will come in the denominator. So 6 upon 2 becomes what? 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So k is equal to 3. So you got the value of k value, right? Is it clear with this? So you have to remember here the two formula, one is alpha plus beta and one is alpha into beta, and how this condition form. From the question you have to able to identify it. Is it clear? Right. Now let us go to the question number 6. Now what does the question number 6 says? Alpha beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. मतलब उन्होंने बोला है कि अल्फा बीटा तो रूट है ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का, आपको दो चीज़ फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्ट अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर, सेकेंड अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब. नाउ हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द आइडेंटिटीज, रिमेंबर. हाँ, so 3 marks sum it is. So first of all what you will do, you will compare it. Always you have to compare the equation and you have to get the value of ABC. Without getting the value of ABC you could not proceed the sum. Keep this in mind. So you have to able to find the value of ABC. So we'll compare it and we'll get the value of ABC. A is what, 1, B is minus 2 and C is minus 7. I hope now you know how to find the value of ABC, right? So next thing you have to find the two things, one alpha plus beta and second is alpha into beta. That is also common now. Alpha plus beta minus b upon a. So minus bracket में b का वैल्यू क्या है, minus 2 upon a. A is what, 1. Minus minus get cancelled, 2 upon 1 becomes 2. Alpha into beta equal to c upon a. So c is what, minus 7. A is what, 1. Minus 7 upon 1 becomes minus 7. Now they have told first thing what you have to find. In first thing you have to find alpha square plus beta square. So this is the identity. Alpha square plus beta square is this. This is your identity. You can check from the table which I have shown you right now. From there only we have got this value, alpha square plus beta square. Okay. Now this you should know. Just a minute. Okay. This you should know now. Identity. Without identity you could not solve the sum. So this is the identity, that is alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So now you know alpha plus beta is what, 2, the whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta is minus 7. So 2 का square is 4 plus 2 7s are 14 minus minus plus. So 2 plus 4 plus 14 becomes what, 18. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. So you got this value, right? Now second one they have asked you to find alpha cube plus beta cube. This you have to find, alpha cube plus beta cube. Now see here, alpha cube plus beta cube, this is your identity. Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket alpha plus beta. Now alpha plus beta is what, 2, the whole cube minus 3 into अल्फा बीटा कितना है, माइनस 7. ये सब हम लोग ने फाइंड किया है, ये देखिए ना यहाँ पे, ये देखिए अल्फा प्लस बीटा मिला है ना, 2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा माइनस 7, ये सब है अपने पास. वी हैव डन, वी हैव फाउंड आउट, एंड अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज 2. नाउ जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड get the answer. What is a cube of 2? 8. Minus minus become plus. 3 7s are 21. 21 into 2, 42. So 8 plus 42 becomes 50. So you got the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. This identity is most important. You should know this identity. देखिए यहाँ पे फिर से मैं बता दूँ, ये identities है आपके, ये देखिए. These are identities. You should know these identities. Without that you could not do the further sum. Correct? So I hope it is clear now. Okay. Now let us move to the last question of this exercise, question number 7. The root of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Find k. Now they had given one quadratic equation, that is 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. They have told us that the nature of these roots are real and equal. Now we know what is the nature of the root, what is real and what is equal, right? You have to find the value of k, 3 marks sum. So what you will do, first of all you will write this equation and compare it with the standard form. Now here instead of x they have used y, so I have written also in the standard form as y only, right? We know this. Now from this we get the value of a, that is 3, b is what, k, and c is what, 12. Now what is the value of what is the formula of discriminant, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? So you have to use this formula. Why? Because we have to find the value of k, and with the help of this only you will get the value of k. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now what is the value of b? is k the whole square minus 4 into a is what 3 and c is what 12. So k square becomes k square minus, you will multiply this 4 into 3 into 12, you get 144. So आपको मिल गया डेल्टा का वैल्यू, दैट इज डिस्क्रिमिनेंट is equal to k square minus 144. Now they have told one thing in the question. What they have said, the roots of this each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. Real and equal. When the roots are real and equal, जब डेल्टा का वैल्यू जीरो होता है तभी ना. We have understood earlier also in the sum कि when डेल्टा वैल्यू, डेल्टा का कोई भी वैल्यू, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का वैल्यू अगर जीरो के बराबर है, then only we can say it is real and equal. So can I say the roots are real and equal, so therefore delta must be zero. तो इसके लिए डेल्टा जीरो है तो मतलब मैं बोल सकता हूँ के स्क्वायर माइनस 144 इक्वल टू जीरो, डेल्टा बिकम जीरो ना, डेल्टा का वैल्यू जीरो के बराबर है. सो के स्क्वायर माइनस 144 इक्वल टू जीरो, डेल्टा के बदले जीरो डाल दिया मैंने. एंड नाउ यू सॉल्व दिस. नाउ माइनस 144 goes on the right hand side, becomes plus 144, taking square root on both the side. So k is equal to plus minus 12. So k is equal to 12, one value, and second k is equal to minus 12. Got it? So this is how you got the value of k. One is 12 and one is minus 12. Is it clear with this? Now second sum is also of the same kind. Try to understand. Of question number 7th itself. देखिए ये वाला सम, इसमें भी ऐसे ही पूछा है आपको कि kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. They had given you 3 marks sum it is. They have told you that the roots are real and equal. Find the value of k. So here also what you will do, first of all you will solve this bracket. So kx into x becomes kx square minus 2 into kx becomes 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now you, once you got this standard form of quadratic equation, compare it with the standard form and get the value of a, b and c. A is k, b is minus 2k, and what is the value of c? It is 6. So apply the same formula, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b? That is minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into what is value of a, that is k, and what is value of c, that is 6. Substitute and solve. Minus 2k the whole square becomes 4k the whole square minus 4, 6 are 24 into k becomes k, 24k. So once you got the delta equal to 4k square minus 24k, you know the delta value is 0. तो आप यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. 24k. Now you can see here, यहाँ पर कॉमन है ना, 4 और 24 कॉमन है, 4k मल्टीपल में 24 आता है. सो एंड k भी कॉमन है. तो टेक द कॉमन टर्म फ्रॉम हियर, 4k ब्रैकेट में बचेगा k माइनस 6. अगर आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देखिए फिर से आपको यही आ जाएगा. सो 4k becomes equal to 0 and k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k is equal to what? 0 upon 4 and k equal to 6. Minus 6 उधर चला जाएगा. So that is k equal to 0 और k equal 0 upon 4 means 0 only and k is equal to 6. देखिए k जो है वो a के बराबर है. So k cannot be 0. So therefore k is equal to 6. This is your final answer. Is it clear with this? So I hope it is clear with these sums. Practice these sums again, once again in your notebook. See these sums